Welcome to Luxevista TV, where luxury meets performance and innovation. Today we explore the Mercedes-AMG S63 E Performance, a sedan that blends extreme power with first-class comfort. From the outside, the S63 stands out with a bold and elegant design. The signature AMG grille gives it a strong presence, while the smooth body lines add a sense of refinement. Its LED headlights and sporty details make it look modern and aggressive at the same time, perfectly balancing luxury and performance. Inside, the experience is exceptional. The cabin is crafted with premium Nappa leather and high-quality materials, creating a rich and comfortable environment. Ambient lighting adds a futuristic touch, especially at night. The seats offer massage, heating, and cooling functions, ensuring maximum comfort for both driver and passengers. Rear passengers enjoy executive seating with extra space and advanced screens, turning every journey into a relaxing experience. Under the hood, the S63 is powered by a 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbo engine combined with an electric motor. Together, they produce an impressive 791 horsepower. This hybrid system delivers instant acceleration, allowing the car to go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 3.3 seconds. Despite its size, it feels fast, smooth, and highly controlled thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension. Safety is also a major highlight. The car includes advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system improves visibility, while additional rear airbags enhance passenger protection. With a starting price around $190,000, the Mercedes-AMG S63 is designed for those who want the best of both worlds. It combines the comfort of a luxury sedan with the power of a high-performance machine, making it one of the most complete cars in its class.